Hello, everyone. It's Jacob. I'm not doing a fancy intro today. I just wanted to get right into this because I'm excited for it. You already saw the thumbnail and title of this video, but we've had a bit of a weird interest lately in collecting Palm devices, PDAs. These things are really cool, and we've got quite a few. But today, we picked up one that is in its box, and I wanted to do an unboxing and show you what's inside. I haven't looked inside it yet, but I can tell there's a bunch of stuff poking out of it, and the box is... Oops, let's not spoil it. The box isn't fully closed. This is how it showed up. So there's some damage to the box, unfortunately, but we got this for super cheap. I think we paid more for the shipping than we did for the device itself. So this is pretty exciting to look through. I've never actually seen a Palm IIIxe in the box in person. I've seen some other Palm models, but this is a first for me. So I'm very excited to get into this. But first I want to kind of take a peek at the box while trying very hard not to spill everything out of it. So they're the flexible and powerful way to organize. You can see the features they're really pushing with this. The IIIxe is pretty similar to most of your other Palm 3 generation Palm devices. We have nearly all of them. Here's an original Palm 3. You can see it's fairly similar, though this is definitely a lighter color. This one's the top piece is unfortunately broken. Here is the exact device we're going to be opening today. We've got a couple of those. And we also have the system released right around the same time, which is the 3C, which is basically the same thing, but with some differences, like having a lithium battery instead of AAAs and also being in color. So that's cool. But we're talking about this one today. So this device, if you had bought this brand new back in the year 2000, it would have been $250 for this beast. So I'm hoping we get our money's worth out of it. We definitely did not pay $250 for it. Let's open the box. Unfortunately, the box does have some actual bends in it from this all being shoved in here. And, well, I can already tell you this is going to be weird. Let's just go from the top, though. Quick start guide. Yes, yes. Okay. That's really cool looking, that case for it. I kind of want one. I like that. That's kind of classy. Cool stuff. Let's see what else we got. Register today. There's a great looking photo of a Palm device just sitting here. Have you ever used a Palm PDA before, or is this completely new territory for you? Let me know in the comments down below. I've messed around with a couple Palm devices, but I'm much more familiar with other PDAs. I've used a Dell one with Windows on it before quite a bit, and I own a Sony Clie, which is kind of based on some of the same stuff as the Palm devices. Kind of similar, but also really not. And I love that thing, so I'm really looking forward to using these. Look at that. A Go Type Pro? That looks sweet. I want that. I want all this stuff. Digital voice recorder? That's awesome. Go Type adapter. Travel kit. Leather zip case. Palm 5 zip slim case. I love looking at the accessories for these things because they get wild. There's another keyboard for it. Another case. Carrot. That's awesome. Gulliver. Quicken. Awesome. I love this kind of stuff. What's next? Worldwide customer support information. Look at all those phone numbers. Cool. What is this? From the Quill Business Library, How to Write Effective Business Reports, a guide to writing reports that get results. So I'm guessing this didn't come with it, otherwise that would be really kind of weird. Huh, maybe. I don't know. I have no idea what was supposed to come with this and what wasn't, because all of our other ones came loose. So, hot new technology to improve your effectiveness. Is this more catalog stuff? Yes. Franklin planner. Oh, look at that. Those are some stylish shots of them. There's that case that I really want. Those look cool. I actually do think I like the brown better than the black. Bunch of different cool accessories. I'm down for this. Oh, look at all the cool stylus pens. Awesome. I gotta go back. It actually says pens and styli. I'm so impressed. I know that's something so like simple, little. It just makes me happy to see. Look at all this stuff. Palm computing for dummies. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, what's next? What was this? This flew off to the side here. Hey, that's kind of cool. I wouldn't mind using my Palm device to stay up to date with news from organizations like the New York Times or USA Today. Very cool. What else do we have? GE warranty management. What's this for? I have no idea. Okay. What else? Go type user's guide. Oh, this is for one of the docks. Do we have one? Oh my gosh, we do. Okay, hang on. We'll get to that in a moment. First, software and resource guide. PalmIII travel kit. That looks, yeah. A Palm modem. Palm glove cases. Simply Palm. Very interesting. Palm Mac Pack. That's cool. There's so much stuff with the Palm ecosystem that I don't know about. You know, it's kind of been forgotten, but Palm was huge. Okay, I can't spend all day looking through this, but yeah, that's awesome. Your one-stop shop for Palm connected organizer products. Okay. Stickers? Those are clearly Oh, it's graffiti. So it's like a cheat sheet for all your graffiti marks. I'm terrible at graffiti. I never really got it. If you don't know, graffiti is the way you input text by writing it, but you have to do it in specific like brush strokes or it won't pick it up correctly. It's interesting, but my brain doesn't work very well for that type of thing. Here's another cheat sheet for it. I'm just pulling off to the side here, and I'm remembering how much I don't like using graffiti. Important. Read contents before using this product. You can't tell me what to do. We have our CD-ROM software for the Palm IIIxe installation and installation. Is this the same disc? I guess so. Okay, let's look at this thing. Oh, okay. That's awesome. It's a keyboard. That's basically all it is, but it's a docking keyboard for the device. We'll have to get the device out in order to really appreciate it. What are we going to look at first? Here we go. Ooh, a serial cable for a Palm device. It's sealed. That's cool. Speaking of devices that are still sealed, here's the dock for it with the sync button on it. Connects to your computer, and you can just drop your device into the dock and press the sync button, and your computer and your PDA will sync up. Here we have a little parallel port adapter or serial port adapter. You know what I'm trying to say. Neat. I've got a bunch of these. They come a lot if you ever buy like joysticks. You know, they come with these all the time. So, And here's the device itself. It's actually the last thing in the box as far as I can tell. Yep, last thing in the box. Here it is. PalmIIIxe. The plastic has been taken off of this one, which is weird because a bunch of this stuff does look like it's new and hasn't been touched, but this clearly has. Yeah, so it's a nice standard little Palm device. Let's hope there's no oh no, there's batteries in it. I'm gonna have to remember to take those out after we're done here. But for now, what I really want to do is take this out of the way. Take this, open it up, try and type on it. That is not a great keyboard. I'll be perfectly honest. This is actually, I'd rate this as a pretty bad keyboard. But when your only other option is this, then I'd take that any day. And it's nice and compact. It can, fit in a bag with your Palm device. It would be perfect for, if you're in like college, then and then you can, use this to write your notes instead of having to bring a laptop with you. Let's take that off for now. That'll make things better. Yeah, look at that. I have to kind of hold it at an angle, so please forgive that. But yeah, that's sweet. I do not want to try turning this thing on. There are batteries in it, but I'm sure they're ancient, and I don't want to break it. I will leave that for when we do a big showcase of all of our Palm devices, which should hopefully be soon, depending on, how lazy I am and how often things will go bad in the process. That's how it always works with videos. Look at that. Go Tech by Landwehr. Yeah, this thing's really cool. We don't have any of these for any of our PDA devices, so I'm really happy to have this one just to get that quality experience. I am going to take this to, there's a coffee shop down the block from here, so I'm going to take this with me and just be the ultimate hipster. I already did that once with our Tandy 100, so, and that was pretty good. Or, no, actually, I think it was our Epson HX20. That thing's awesome, and ultimate hipster, mega hipster points for that, but I think this might take the cake for stupidest way to write your screenplay that no one's going to read. All right, I'm back after a brief jump cut because I've been messing around, and this thing does indeed work. I got new batteries in it, and here's the setup screen with a really nice little 3D animation of the device. It's cute. You'll see it's telling me how to set up the device. It wants me to remove the stylus and use the stylus to tap anywhere to continue. Let's tap on the stylus. Close enough. So it wants me to calibrate it. This is the first time doing it for a Palm device. Let's see. Country's the United States. Sure, that time is fine. That date's definitely correct. Tap here to continue. There we go. Oh no. Let's skip that for now. Here's all of our stuff. Ooh, let's go for, what do I want to do? Let's go into the calculator. It's a nice, simple, let's see, what's 9,944 times 6? Sure, we'll go with that. Let's go back into the home menu. I think the navigation on these is great. It's very similar to what you'd expect from a modern smartphone. I think, Palm was a trendsetter in that regard. Let's write a memo. Oh You see, I don't know how to do this offhand. It's been years since I've had to do. Wonderful. Let's not worry about that right now. Yeah, so it works, and honestly, that's all I can ask from it. I'm pretty pleased. Oh, it won't let me. Okay. So I'm glad this device works. It's pretty solid. Yeah, so that's everything in this box. Just a quick little video showing it off and getting you guys excited for Palm content. If you want to see more Palm stuff or more stuff about portable computers in general, let me know. And of course, make sure to subscribe and join our Facebook group where you can talk about retro tech all day, all night. And you can also join our Discord server for basically the same thing. And I will see you guys next time.